Hello YouTube. Ish. Today we will have a new unboxing. This is a massage gun. So we'll have a look on this. It's a massage gun that we bought from AliExpress. So we're gonna review and unbox this. Let's see. Hey, shoot. So this is the manual, very simple manual. Some instructions on how to do the massage. You have to be careful. I have to say only just one thing. Don't press this massage gun near to the bones, only to the muscles. So let's have a look. This is the gun itself. Okay, it's a bit charged. Okay. So these are the accessories. This is something like a ball. Here it is soft. This is for large muscles. This is something different, like this. This is for the back, for the bones at the back. This is the cable. And this little is for very small muscle areas. And this is the cable that we will charge the massage gun from here. Very simple. So let's see what is this gun doing. It's very cheap. It's about 20 euros. So for sure it's not very quality machine gun, but let's see if it is working. You press here, you press here for, this is how strong it is. Let's see. It's working very good here. This animal is feeling very good now. Okay.